is happening? What's going on? If you're watching this masterclass right now, chances are you saw an ad on Facebook or Instagram and you're interested in learning how we make money online or how to earn full-time income online. Maybe you're a mechanic like I was. Maybe you're a chef. Maybe you're an electrician. Doesn't matter. You're sick of working a job. You want to be able to earn money online. Yes? All right, perfect. You're in the right place. All right, I'm going to make this webinar very short, very quick, very to the pace. Before I get into the webinar though, if you guys have never been to Panama City, that's Panama City right there. I'm at the 54th floor of the Hard Rock Cafe Hotel here in Panama. It's amazing. Most people think Panama and they go, oh, it's a third world country. Wrong, it's not. Well, it's really dark right now. Okay, let me walk over to my desk here and then we're gonna plug right into what I do and what I teach, which is, again, something called affiliate marketing. So, perfect. All right, so what is Digital Freedom Movement? So DFM is an affiliate marketing training platform that automates 90% of the workload for the newest person, so that the newest person only needs to focus on 10%, that being you. Not only that, we also cover over $17,000 a year for you in software costs, because let's face it, if I was like, hey, yes, I'll coach you, but you got to drop 17 grand on software, you'd probably be like, Kellen, it's not going to happen. Sorry, I can't do it, bud. All right, so I teach affiliate marketing. We teach affiliate marketing. What is that? It is a marketing arrangement by which an online retailer pays a commission to an external website or person for traffic or sales generated from its referrals. What? Think of it as being the middleman of online business and online sales. What we do is we sell products and services for companies to make money. And the next question that's going to come into your head is, well, Kellen, what kind of companies can you affiliate with if you're an affiliate marketer? And the answer to that question is Amazon, eBay, IKEA, Walmart, Nike, Groupon, iTunes. All of these companies have affiliate programs, which again means that affiliates can market their products online to make money. And I'm going to show you exactly how I do that. But wait. Okay, we're doing exactly the opposite of what all these other Joe Blows and gurus out there are doing. We are teaching high ticket commissions, guys. What I love to do is I blow tens of thousands of dollars testing to see what sells well. And when I find something that sells well, mainly in high ticket, I give it to the people that I coach and they make a fucking killing. So that's how I help you. Okay, now, in the affiliate marketing world, there are three main categories. We have low ticket items, we have medium ticket items, and we have high ticket items. If you take a quick peek at this, you know, Amazon, Walmart, these companies usually pay anywhere from 1 to 10% commission on a sale. I don't know about you, but I don't want to make $5 on a sale or 15. I want to make 1,000. I want to make 5,000. I want to make 10,000, which is again why the majority of the income that I've made and a lot of my students have made have been from high ticket sales. High ticket pays out anywhere from 20 to 53% commission per sale, depending on what you're marketing. That is massive. Could you imagine if you sold one product, you know, let's say you sold one product at 10K and you have 53% commission, that's $5,300 in your pocket in a single sale. It's not that hard. Okay. So again, what we love to do here at DFM is we look for high ticket items that bring up to 53% commission per sale. And again, keep in mind that can be anywhere from 1,000 to 10 grand in your pocket in a single sale in some cases. And also keep in mind that it takes the exact same amount of time to market a $5 product as it does for a $5,000 one. So if you wanted to go travel South America and Central America, where would you want to spend your time marketing? Low ticket items or high ticket ones? Let me know. Okay. Here's an example for you guys. So let's say you're going to go for the low ticket stuff. Let's say tank tops and leggings. You know, I sell these myself still, only a little bit though. You know, the average commission you're going to make if it's a $50 product, benefit of the doubt, we're going to give you 10% commission a sale. The max you can make is $5 on a sale. That sounds pretty simple, right? Well, that means, you know, the average person, I'm assuming that you need to make about $4,000 a month to live semi-comfortably, which would mean you need to sell 800 products a month at low ticket to hit that mark. Okay, that's a lot of, I've never sold 800 products in a month in my entire life, okay? But again, like I said before, guys, high ticket sales is where it's at, right? when you're doing high ticket sales, you can have $2,600 days, just like that one. You could have $4,500 days, just like that one. You could have another $4,500 day, just like that one. You could have a $6,100 day, just like that one. Okay. When you get high ticket sales, you can make a lot of money really, really quickly. Okay. But nothing's easy. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Okay. Now, Kellen, shut up, get to the point. Okay. We know what you do, Kellen. We know what affiliate marketing is. Okay. We know how that works to an extent. How do you sell products? You got to, do I have to bug this shit out of my friends and family? Do I have to knock on doors? Do I have to do telephone calls? No. Okay. You could rent a billboard. Okay. You could do TV ads. You could do radio advertising. These are all proven methods, but I've never done any one of those. Or you could use Facebook or Instagram or Google SEO. Okay. Out of every platform that we could choose to train on and to use to market products and services, Facebook's by far the number one. Okay. So here at DFM, we teach Facebook marketing and paid advertising. We also teach Instagram marketing and paid advertising. Facebook's the biggest social media platform on the planet with over 2.3 billion monthly active users, guys. That's where everybody's eyes are. That's where you want to market products and services. Now, this is how real affiliate marketing works. The first thing you need to do, you say, Kellen, I'm ready, bud. Let's get this going. The first thing you need to do is you need to become an affiliate. If you want to pause this masterclass right now, go to Google and you can type in Amazon affiliate program. Punch that in, you can become an affiliate in 5 minutes. Boom. And at that point, you can market any of their products and services. Again, I don't do that, but you could do that. Awesome. Become an affiliate. The next thing you would need to do is find a product or service that sells well. This is very, very difficult. Okay, guys, I've wasted about $250,000 on advertising in the last 3 years, testing products that don't work and that don't sell. Again, here at DFM, that's something I'm going to be able to help you with. I already know what sells well. So you don't have to go through that pain and the struggle of finding, oh, Kellen, I don't know what to market. I don't know what's going to sell. Don't worry, I got your back there. But anyways, become an affiliate, find a product or service to sell or market. Once you've done that, you use paid advertising. You don't need to market to friends or family or bug the crap out of anybody you know. You use something called paid advertising. So just to give you basic, information here. When using paid advertising on Facebook, you are able to target variables. Okay, so you've built an ad campaign. Let's just say, for example, in this case, it's for this t-shirt. Okay, you got some ad copy, you got a photo of the t-shirt, great. Now you got to ask yourself, who's going to want to buy this t-shirt? Okay, so you're able to target things like ages, genders, locations, interests, behaviors, job titles, demographics, or placements. If somebody meets all of these variables that you tell Facebook, then Facebook will take the ad and fire into their timeline. Okay, you're using social media. Awesome. So I'm a customer. Let's say I have an interest in Oakley and jackets or snowboarding, and somebody typed in men ages 21. I'm 28. Ages 21 to 54, Canada, USA. And I met those variables. Boom, I see the ad pop up in my timeline on Facebook. And then I buy it. Okay, I go through something called a sales funnel. So I see the ad, I click on the button or the link, and it's all automated from there. And I land on Amazon and buy the product, and then you make money. That's pretty straightforward, right? I'm gonna reiterate that again in a little bit here. Okay, so here at DFM, we already have ready-made templates. We have ad copy. We have all the software and apps that you need to generate success online. Okay, so this is my solution and our solution to you getting your freedom. I'm sure there's a million ways you can get it out there, but this is by far one of the easiest. We've coached over 600 people so far in the last year, and most of which have had pretty decent results. Okay, so what you're gonna need, I think, in my opinion, what you need to get results and to get your freedom as quickly as possible would be unlimited support with a 6 or 7-figure coach, someone who's already achieved what you're trying to, so that you never have to figure it out on your own. Okay, high converting, 90% done for you online business model. Okay, if it's 90% done, that means you can only mess up 10% that you're doing yourself, in which case, again, you have a coach to help you with that 10%. Okay, high converting ad copy, so you don't have to waste money on ads, it'll never work. And as well, you would get access to all of our private chats, mastermind groups, and all of our closed Facebook groups as well. Okay. So normally for this coaching and for this training, we would charge $599 US for over $29,000 worth of value. Yes, me and Mark, we paid over $29,000 in training to remake it, to give it all to you guys. Okay. But on this masterclass, we're not going to charge $599. Okay. We're going to be charging $299 US one time and $39.99 per month after your first month, which you can cancel at any point. Okay. But you get free training as well. If you're an action taker and you pull the trigger in the next 30 minutes, we're going to give you access to our Instagram course that's valued at over $2,000. We're going to give you a branding course that's valued at over $1,000. And as well, we're going to give you a personal growth and business mindset course that's valued at over $1,200 if you pull the trigger within the next 30 minutes. Okay. So Kellen, why am I paying $299? Like, why would I do that? It's going to get you access to over $17,000 in free software. So you don't need to learn how to use, because your coach is going to use it for you. You're going to get access to a 6 or a 7-figure coach that's going to help you, guide you along your journey, or guide you along the way. So when you get stuck, and you will, someone's there to help you. Okay. So you're going to get access to over 30 grand worth of training that's built for inexperienced people. Okay. We built it for monkeys. So if you're bad with computers, it's okay. You're going to get access to a group of like-minded, positive individuals that are going to be there to help and support you. Okay. And as well, if you're an action taker, you're going to get access to $4,200 worth of bonus training. So that's pretty cool too. Okay. It's this easy. Hopefully this will load. Yay! All right. So it's this easy. Once you pull the trigger here with DFM, you're going to get a username and a password. And you're just gonna log in here as shown in this video. I was actually meaning to shoot this masterclass on the Sandblast Islands, but the internet just wouldn't do it. Awesome. And then you go to your dashboard, you'll see your Freedom Elite course pop up in here, and you're good to go. We no longer sell the basic and the other courses as well, just so you know. All right, it's that easy. Once you guys have access, all of your training is located on the left-hand column here. This is your course outline. It's that simple, guys. Okay. Awesome. Now at this point, you have two choices. Option number one, you could do nothing, don't take action, just keep doing what you're doing. That's what I did for over a year. I followed a guy just like me for over a year before I pulled the trigger, thinking I wasn't good enough or I was going to fail. Okay. Option number two, take action, start working towards that life of freedom. I've seen people be able to quit their jobs in 2 months. I've seen people be at this for over a year and not be able to quit their job. It all depends on the person. What matters is that you are taking action and working towards that goal. Some people have bigger goals than others. Okay. So at this point, you can continue to stay stuck. You can continue to trade time for money, or you can start an online business and again, start working towards that dream lifestyle. All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the masterclass. If you have any questions whatsoever, you should be able to see a chat box on the screen somewhere. You can reach out at any time, or feel free to reach out to the persons who you saw, or myself, Kellen Chafee, or Mark Wilson, or Louisa Bella as well. All right, guys, much love. I'm out.